Hello, good evening everyone. Today we learn how to estimate the area of the upper rectangle. We draw a set of axes X and Y, and we draw a curve This curve we call the main function is fs equal x power 2 plus 1, and this we call y1. From the origin, go to the right direction. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, we draw the line segment. And they all intersect the curve in the main function at these 4 points. So now, how we estimate the area of the upper rectangle, or the area of this region from 1 to 4. So, if we draw a line to the point where the line passes to intersect with the main function here, and we do the same thing for the other. So we can see these 3 small rectangles, they all are above the curve. They are above the main function x power 2 plus 1. So these 3 rectangles, they are the upper rectangle. So we estimate the area of this region from 1 to 4. Number 1 here we call A, number 4 here we call B. So we can see we have a 3 rectangle, so N equal 3 rectangle, and 1 to 2, or 2 to 3, or 3 to 4, they are the width. We call the width interval. The width interval W and is denoted by delta S. So delta S equal B minus for A, and divide for the number of the rectangle. Substitute the number in. We have a 4 minus for 1 divide for 3 rectangle. Delta S equal 1 unit in length. Now we can see when S equal 2, then Y main function y1, y equal x power 2, 2 power 2 plus for 1, 4 plus for 1 equal 5 unit in length. Similarly, when x equal 3, y equal 3 power 2 plus for 1, 9 plus 1 equal 10 unit in length. When x equal 4, y equal 4 power 2 plus for 1, 16 plus for 1 give us 17 unit in length. And the area of the rectangle equal the length times by the width. So the total area of this region or of these three upper rectangle equal the total area equal the width times for the length, or the length times for the width. So we can see when x equal 2, the length, it means y equal 5 unit. When x equal 3, y equal 10 unit. When x equal 4, y equals 17 unit in length. So by observation, we have delta x, it means the width interval is 1 unit. They own 1 unit. So the area of the rectangle equal the length times the width. The length of the first one is 5. It means fx when x equal 2, y equal 5. And we plus for another length, it means 10 times by delta x, it means 1. And plus for 17 times for 1 unit in length. So therefore, equal 5 plus for 10 plus for 17. Therefore, the total area of this region is 32 unit power 2. So if we observe, we can see the length, it means the main function fx. When x equal 2, the length equal 5. The length, it means the main function. So we have there the length. So the total area equal the summation. This symbol here represents for the summation. So the sum, so we can see that one at x, the main function, time for delta x, the one here, and we plus for another one. We have a fs times for delta s and plus for fs times for delta s. So we have the secant of fs times for delta s, and the plus sign here represents for the summation. Therefore, the total area equal the summation, and it is denoted by the sigma of fs times for delta h. And we can see, in order to estimate the area for this region, we must start from 1 to 2. So from 1 to 2 is the first week interval. Therefore the initial equal 1. This number 1 here, it means the first week of interval. The first week interval, and on the top, and here represent for the last number, it means number 4, it means B, and here it is not the number of rectangle. So these two n different. You should notice about this. So this is the formula for the total area of the upper rectangle. Now, how we use technology to do this estimation. So the total area use TI-84 or use technologies. The total area equal the summation of the secant then time for delta s, it means the delta s here, it means delta s is 1 unit here, then time for the main function, then we can see the first week stop at number 2, it means we write 2 and stop at 4, it means at B here, so 4, and then the delta S. So we have to try delta S for twice, here and there. If we substitute the number in, the summation secant times one time for the main function variable s 2 for comma 1. So now I show you how to use technology now. In order to estimate the area of this gradient by TI-84 plus, we call technologies, we must first insert the main function x power 2 plus 1 into the calculator first. Why? So we try the x power 2 plus for 1, then we quit. Second quit. Now the sum, we press second, start, we select mesh, enter. Second, start, mesh, then we go down number 5, press 5, give us sum, then to second, once again, second, start, we select op OBS, go down, select second and number 5, enter. Then delta x is 1, 1 time for the main function. The main function is y1, we press var, then select y var, enter. Then we select y1, it means number 1, press 1, we have the main function here, y1. Open the round bracket, we press S, variable, close round bracket, comma, then variable S again, then comma, then to 2 4 1, two, comma, 4, comma, 1, then close round bracket. So it's like this. Did you see it? Now we press enter. Enter. The answer is 32 unit power 2. So you should understand this concept, and this is the example. So the example, in order to calculate for 900 rectangle like this, if we don't know how to use technologies, we must take a lot of time to complete. And remember, TI Technologies and yours graphic calculator, the limited number for n, it means the number of rectangle is not over 1000. So you have to understand this concept and do something. Thank you very much for your attention.